People have been tossing COE questions at me for the longest time. If you cannot decide whether or not you should renew your COE, I'm going to help you today. Hi, I'm Karthik, I'm the founder of Noto, and today we're going to break down if you should renew your COE. After having a lot of discussions with a lot of people, whether it's my car friends, my non-car friends, and also my clients, we have broken it down to 3 main questions. Now you have to watch all the way until the end because the last one makes a lot of difference. Firstly, have you been maintaining your car? Now, if you are the kind that hears any squeaks, any rattles, or any sound at all, you are the kind that brings it to your trusty workshop and gets the part fixed. Or, if your mechanic says, this part is not really quite right, it's starting to wear out, you fix it without any hesitation at all. It is very, very obvious that you are the kind that maintains your car. Now, this is important because you are obviously looking to extend the use of the car maybe over 3, 5, 7, or even 10 years. It is important that you do not stare down a mountain of bills the moment you renew your COE. Secondly, is your car ready to serve your future needs? Obviously, your car has served you well, but like all good finance people say, past performance is no guarantee of future performance. So it's important that your car actually serves your future needs. Now, that may be your family's needs, or your travel needs, or even for some of you out there, the image you want to project. Your car must align with this for the future. So if you foresee that your car has the brand, the looks, the power, and everything that you foresee yourself needing in the future, then it's the perfect fit for COE renewal. And now for the third question, and this is also the one that people often overlook and then run into regrets. Is your car maintainable for the next 5 to 10 years? This comes down to just mainly one key factor: the availability of parts for your car. Now, first of all, even if you had never had a spare parts problem in the past, that does not mean it will be the same in the future. This is especially true if you drive a car that is not very common. This is how it works. If you drive a model that is less common, and most of the people end up scrapping their cars, the stockists are less likely to support them after the 10-year mark. Of course, this is never a problem if you drive a very common car, Toyota Altis, or even a Mazda 3. And then we are talking about the other edge case, which is if you're going into your second COE renewal. Now, obviously, this is a more enthusiastic car, or a car that has a lot of memories or some kind of a connection with you that you're going to keep for a very long time. Now, you have to be sure that these parts are whether available in Singapore, or you can get them ordered online, maybe in Japan or even somewhere in Europe. If you're going down this route, you have to be prepared for delays, and as long as you can accept that, you should be good for a second renewal. So to recap, there are 3 magic questions. Number 1, is your car well maintained? Number 2, does it serve all your future needs? And number 3, is your car maintainable moving forward? If you answered yes to all 3 of these questions, your car is a perfect candidate for COE renewals. Because we all know that in Singapore, renewing the COE is one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest way to drive. Now, if you disagree with me or you want to have a discussion, let's meet in the comment section.